Hey everyone, so I kind of forgot to film an intro to this video, so this will just have to do. Today I'm going to show you how I get this kind of peacock burgundy inspired look. So if you'd like to see how I do it, just stay tuned. Alright, so I'm just going to start off with priming my lids, and I didn't show it, but I am just using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, and this is going to kind of cancel out any of the redness of my lids while also ensuring that none of my shades crease. Now I'm going to take the first color in the palette. This is called In Light, and I'm just taking it on a fluffy brush and setting the lid just to make sure that that primer has no time to crease on us. Then I'm going in with the shade Butter on the same fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to place this in my crease as sort of a transition color. Now I'm really taking time to build up that color in that crease because I really want this to kind of lay a base for all those other colors that we're going to place in our crease later. That's going to ensure that there is no harsh lines and that all those dark colors have a nice gradient to them. Now I'm just taking the color Hunts on that same brush. I really love this brush. And I'm just going in over that transition color. This is going to be one of the first dark shades that we're going to put in our crease, and I just love this orange color. I think it's so gorgeous. And as you can see, I'm really focusing on building up that color and blending out those edges because we don't want any harsh lines, and I really want a good color payoff from this orange color because I really want it to shine through overall. Next, I'm going in with a fluffy pencil brush and the color Roxanne from the palette. Now I'm taking this color and placing it in the crease, but I really want to focus it on that outer V. That's going to give some added dimension to our crease and also add some drama to the outside of our eyes. I'm going to use that same pencil brush, but this time I'm taking the color Jax, and this color I really want to focus on that outer V, add some extra depth into that section of our eye. Now you really want to focus this and blend it out because that dark color will have some really dark edges that we don't want to be too harsh on our eye. So we really want to focus on blending that and focusing it in our outer corner. Now I actually switched brushes and just took this fluffy blending brush, and I want to focus on blending out all of those edges and making sure all of our colors are nicely blended together. I really want that dark color to be blended in with that orange. I'm actually going to go in with that light orange that we used from the beginning and take it over just to add some extra on top of that dark color because I really want it to be more orange than burgundy. Now I'm taking a flat shader brush and the color Pool Party, and this is where things get really fun in this look. I'm actually going to spritz the brush before I dip it in the pigment just so that it's wet whenever it goes on the eye. That's going to give you a better color payoff. And I'm going to just apply this all over the lid. Now if you wanted to, you could cut your crease. I didn't feel like doing that for this video, but I'm just applying it to the lid. I don't want to go up into the crease at all. I just really want to focus it on the inner corner. Now once we've built up some color in that inner half of our eye, I'm actually going to take it about 1/3 of the way into my eye just to add some brightness, and then we're going to go in with actually 2 other colors on the other thirds of our eye. So there'll be a different color in the middle of our eye and then another color on the outer edge of our eye. And I'm actually really mad at myself because throughout this video, you can't see whenever I do the right eye because I am so out of frame, and I apologize for that. Next time I will be sure that I position my camera a little differently. That way you can see what I'm doing on both eyes. Now I'm taking the same flat shader brush, and this time I'm going in with the color Twerk, and like I said, we're going to add that to the middle of our eye. So we kind of want to blend it in with that light blue color, and then we're also going to blend it in with another color on the outer half of our eye. Alright, now the last color that we're going to add on that lid is the color Royalty, and I'm just taking it on the same flat shader brush and just adding that to the outer half of our lid. I'm actually going to take the same flat shader brush and just smooth out the edges between all those colors so that they have a nice gradient. And then I'm going to take an angled brush with the color Jax and just make those outer corners a little sharper with a more cut look. Now I forgot to film this, but I took all of the transition colors and added them to my lower lash line as well as that pool party color. And then I added mascara, lashes, liner, and some lipstick and highlight, obviously, to just finish off my face, and that completed our look.